Alright guys, we have another beater box today. This one is $1,750. I'm not sure if you guys watched the last episode, which I'll put up over here. Very, very good episode though. It was $3,350 and it was probably the most insane beater box we have ever opened on this channel. So if you guys haven't watched that one, I would highly recommend checking that one out first. I mean, $1,750 is still super high tier, but it's not going to be nearly as hype as that $3,000 box. So I'm tapering down my expectations for this one. However, I still think there will be a lot of heat. So if you guys want to see another beater box episode, stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a beater box episode. Beater boxes, the sneaker mystery boxes, guys. This one's gonna be a $1,750 box and it's gonna be huge. It is from Soul Supremacy, where we basically get every single sneaker mystery box. Soul Supremacy is a shop out in the Bay Area of California that specializes in selling shoes, and they also got these beater boxes. Currently, to buy these beater boxes, you need to be a member, but I don't think memberships are opening up anytime soon, unfortunately. But what I would do is I would follow their Twitter, and hopefully they will post about like restocks or something like that down the road. But yeah, so we will be getting into this right away. I do want to make some quick announcements though before we start the video. But yeah, I actually am filming today on my birthday, so because, you know, it's a special day or whatever, I don't really care too much for myself, but I just felt like I wanted to give back to you guys, you know, like I don't care about receiving anything, I don't care about like anything special for myself per se. It's just another reason for me to give back to you guys. So I actually did put up a discount code in our community tab. If you use the code birthday30, it will actually give you $30 off at the web store, untidedhawaii.com, linked in the description below. So if you guys want $30 off your purchases, that will be running, I think, until probably next week or so. All of these shoes will be uploaded onto the website, so you guys can check them out up there as well. Additionally, these discount codes do stack, so if you want an extra $10 off your purchase, I would highly recommend you guys join the channel memberships down below. There is a join button when you guys look at the desktop version of YouTube. You hit that join button basically, and what it does is you're entered into a channel membership, which it's a little bit different than subscribing. Subscribing is free, but channel memberships you have to pay for it. But I mean, there are like a lot of good benefits to the channel memberships, like these very, very dope logo badges things that go next to your name when you comment and stuff. Very like cool little things. And additionally to that, we do have like an extra $10 off the web store, unlimited uses, so you can stack that with your birthday 30 code, and that's $40 off, so huge discount. So it's like you're paying $5 to get $5 back from me. I'm losing money on it no matter what. But again, it's not really for me, it's for the community, it's for you guys, for the Untitled Hana. So that's what I'm doing for you guys. Anyway, this better be a huge box, man. We just turned 28. Damn, that's old. I just dated myself. Whatever. Anyway, we just turned 28, so hopefully there are some good presents in here. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got. Okay. So we have no loose shoes in here, which maybe is a good sign. But first things first, we do have a Jordan box here. This one is a Jordan 1 in a size 7Y. Ooh, okay. So we actually have a pair of the New Loves here. Very dope colorway. This is actually a Jordan 1 mid. But I mean, because it was like one of the only yellow Jordan 1s, it actually sold really, really well. So these things go for quite a decent amount of money. I believe for a kid size, it's not very high, but for adult sizes, I know they kind of blew up. You guys can see over here, yellow color blocking with that black. Very, very sleek. Not too dirty either. So I mean, this is a pretty solid sneaker. Good first shoe. I'm hoping there's at least 100 something bucks on here. But yeah, we got a long way to go to catch up to our $1,750 value over here. So you guys can actually follow along on the counter. That basically shows what the competitive market value is. The way I like calculate competitive market value is I look at different websites and stuff, mainly utilizing GOAT. And by utilizing GOAT, it basically shows me what people are buying these sneakers for right now in the open market. I find an average, that's where these numbers come from. As a heads up, if you guys did watch that last $3,000 beater box, we are doing a follow-up video like very, very soon. I'm actually filming that this week. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. Be sure to hit the notification bell because that one's coming in hot. You guys will see exactly how much money I made on that box. And it was quite a bit of money. Anyway, let's keep going. All right, so second shoe out. We're starting off hot. We got a Yeezy box here, a Yeezy 350. This one is in a size 11. Okay, and we do have a pair of the Beluga 1.0s. You guys can check it out over here. The bottoms are really, really clean. So This is probably one of those shoes that you could write down as pads or pass as dead stock, because there aren't really any markings on it at all. And again, those bottoms are very clean, but I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the camera, but there is a little bit of dirt there. So I mean, maybe used once, but yeah, overall very good condition sneaker. These ones, I'm thinking they go for like hopefully at least 500 bucks still. I'm hoping maybe 4. Value kind of died on these, but Yeezy resurgence, right? So maybe the prices will shoot back up, so we gotta see. All right, next shoe outs. This looks like a busted up NMD box. NMD R1 size 13. Okay, and over here we have a pair of the Wools. I believe this is called Wools. Anyway, you guys can check it out over here. This is actually not a bad color blocking on here. You guys know that NMD market kind of died off, but I mean, they're still very comfortable shoes because of the Boost material. This one doesn't really show any signs of wear other than the bottoms. Hoping there's at least 100 bucks there, but again, Adidas market kind of died for the NMDs. They just oversaturated the market, and that kind of just destroyed resale. So I don't know, they'll be up on the web store. Man, we got some weird shoes in this box, guys. This one is a Saucony box, and this one is a size 13 as well. I'm not very familiar with these shoes, so I'm probably not gonna know the colorway. These are actually pretty clean though, man. So I'm assuming this is a collab shoe with the company Bates. Saucony Shadow Original. This is a nice silhouette. This is like the standard silhouette, so you guys can check it out over here. Very solid colorway. I mean, it's pretty standard. The materials feel actually really good on this. I don't think there's a strong market for these things, so I'm assuming it maybe is less than like 100 bucks, which is unfortunate. We'll keep pressing on though, and hopefully there's some heat in here. So next up, we got an Air Foamposite Pro size 13. Must all be from the same collection. Not super savvy with the Foamposites, but I think this is like a forest or pine green model. But you guys can see over here, it's like a dark green. This is actually really nice over here, like this kind of green. It's brighter. No real damage on this one. Foamposites are basically like tanks. Unless you're like really scratching this up over here, you probably won't see much signs of wear. So this is a solid shoe. Foamposites, I mean, they retail very high. The resale is at least 100 something bucks usually on any pair of Foamposites. We got 3 shoes left in here. Next out, you guys should know what box this is. This is a Jordan 11 box. This one is in a size 12. You guys can see over here, it is a pair of the 7210s. One of the most underrated Jordan 11s in my opinion. You guys can check it out over here. Color blocking is just really clean. Red Jumpman over here. Good use of leather, and also like this patent leather over here. This is a very underrated sneaker, but they don't really sell very well. They go on the market proudly used for like maybe 160 bucks, I'm hoping. So it's not super solid, but again, it's a Jordan 11. So Jordan 11s, they typically sell pretty well because it's one of the more popular Jordan models. And here's the hard part, putting everything away, because they make the Jordan 11 box so dang complicated. All right, so we do have 2 shoes left. I see something hyped, but I also feel like the counter isn't doing too hot right now. So I'm not sure how hyped is hype, but we do have an Ultra Boost box over here in a size 9. It's not even a popular Ultra Boost model. What the heck, dude? Okay, so this is a pair of the Ultra Boost, I believe 3.0 model of the multicolors. Yeah, multicolors did not do super hot for this model. There isn't very much damage on this at all. You guys can check it out. It is used. The boost is a little bit dirtied over here, so you can tell over there. It's an Ultra Boost. Ultra Boost market is basically like the NMD market. Value for most of these shoes died off like really fast. Should be at least $100 or so. Like I said, Boost material is still good. It's still really good, guys. So there will be a buyer for that. All right, so the last shoe in this box, obviously not like a Yeezy 2 or anything like that, but we do have a very popular shoe. And this is from the 10 collection. It is a size 9. Oh, please be dead stock. It's not dead stock, what the heck? But this is a super clean pair. Check it out over here. This is a pair of the Air Force 1 off-white lows. You guys can see like basically no damage on the uppers, which is really good. Nothing over here, nothing back here. Insides look immaculate. However, bottom slightly dirtied up. These things dead stock I think go for like $2 grand. And for a pair of these and like a very like basically pads, like passes dead stock, it should fetch some good value. I'm hoping at least over $1,000. Also has like OG, also has a zip tie over here, has all of the laces over here too, so there should be good value here is what I'm hoping. Hopefully this saves the box. I have no idea what the counter says over here. I don't do the counter until after the video, but I'm hoping we made some money on this because I don't feel super hyped. I don't know if that's because the last box was just way overly hyped and my like expectation levels are like super high now, but the hype isn't really there. But anyway, that is it for this beater box. Again, all of these shoes will be up on the web store, untidedhawaii.com. Do not forget to use the code birthday30 in celebration of your boy turning 28. 8. Man, dude, I'm getting old. I've been out of high school for 10 years now. And thank you all of you guys behind the camera for being a part of this birthday with me. Like, it's definitely like a different feeling, like being over here now 10 years out of high school and like, you know, doing this YouTube thing on the side of my actual job. So it's been fun and I have you guys to thank for that. So again, as a thank you, birthday 30, $30 off the web store. Again, try to join that channel membership if you guys haven't. You get extra perks over there. And also what it does is it does support me. So if you guys support what I do on this channel, and you guys are just basically being homies and stuff, thank you so much for doing that. Be sure to subscribe down below if you guys haven't already. Hit that like button if you guys like this video. And every single like shows a happy birthday, you know, for the channel. So don't forget to smash that like button. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for coming through. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.